Imagine waking up one day and realizing your business has been holding on to money the wrong way for years. The cash is coming in, but it is not growing. It is not working for you. It is just sitting there. And the crazy part is that thousands of small business owners are doing the exact same thing without even realizing how much money they are missing out on. Today, we are going to fix that, because once you understand how a simple business savings account can boost your cash flow, protect your money, and even help your business grow faster, you will never look at your bank balance the same way again. And there is one surprising feature that most beginners do not know about, a feature that could completely change how you manage your business cash. We'll get to that soon, so stay with me. Picture this. You start your small business out of pure passion. Maybe you run a landscaping company. Maybe you are a freelance designer. Maybe you run an online shop. Cash comes in, bills go out. But the more your business grows, the more stressful it becomes to manage money. At first, it feels harmless to keep everything in one checking account, but eventually, things start slipping. You overspend, you forget upcoming expenses, you miss opportunities to grow because you do not have the right financial structure. A business savings account solves all of this, and today you will see exactly how. Number 1. What a business savings account actually does for you. A business savings account is not just a place to park money. It is a tool. It separates your long-term funds from your day-to-day spending and gives you a clear picture of how much money you truly have available. For beginners, this separation is life-changing. Think of it like having your kitchen and your pantry separated. In the kitchen, you keep what you need right now. In the pantry, you store what keeps you going for weeks. Without that separation, things get messy. Same with business money. For example, imagine a photographer who earns $4,000 from an event. If all that money sits in one checking account, it's tempting to spend it. But if a portion goes into a business savings account right away, the photographer instantly has clarity. This simple separation improves cash flow and reduces stress. Number 2. Why most business owners lose cash without realizing it.
Here is a scary truth. Many beginners lose hundreds or even thousands of dollars every year because their money sits idle in checking accounts. Checking accounts rarely earn interest. Business savings accounts do. A study from the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation once showed that a large percentage of small business owners store most of their cash in checking accounts, even though savings accounts can earn interest. That interest might seem small at first, but it compounds over time. And when you run a business, every dollar matters. For example, if your business keeps an average balance of $10,000 and your savings account pays even a modest interest rate, that money grows year after year without you doing anything. That small growth adds up. It is free money that beginners often skip without knowing. Number 3. The secret cash flow strategy no one teaches beginners. Here is the part you'll want to write down. This is the strategy most successful business owners use to prevent surprises and stay profitable. It is simple. They divide their income into categories the moment money comes in. One of those categories goes directly into a business savings account. This becomes a safety cushion. This cushion helps you pay taxes, handle slow months, replace equipment, survive emergencies. Imagine running a small cleaning service. One month, you bring in $5,000. You immediately transfer 15% to your business savings account for taxes. Another 10% goes into long-term savings. Now you always know what money is for spending and what money is for saving. This strategy transforms your cash flow because you protect your money before spending it. Number 4. How a business savings account helps you survive slow months. Every business has slow seasons. Even huge companies deal with it. The only difference is that they prepare for it. A business savings account acts like your financial shock absorber. During good months, you store extra money in it. During slow months, that same money keeps your business running. It keeps you confident. It keeps the lights on. And most importantly, it protects your mental health because you're not panicking about how to pay bills.
For example, imagine a landscaping business. They earn great money in spring and summer, but winter is slow. A business savings account lets them save during busy months so they can pay equipment loans, fuel costs, and salaries even when revenue drops. Without that account, many small businesses collapse. Number 5. How interest builds your business wealth without extra work. Interest is one of the simplest ways to grow your business money. It is passive. It requires no additional effort. You simply keep money in your business savings account and let it grow. Here's why this matters. When your business earns interest, even small interest, it builds a financial habit. It forces you to think long-term, and long-term thinking is one of the biggest factors in business survival. Let's say a bakery keeps $15,000 in a business savings account. If the account earns interest, that money slowly grows. It may not make anyone rich overnight, but it adds stability, and stability is what helps you make smarter business decisions. Number 6. The big mistake beginners make when opening accounts. Here's a common mistake. Many beginners choose the first business savings account they see. They do not compare, they do not read fees, they do not check minimum balance requirements. And because of that, they lose money instead of earning. Some accounts require a minimum balance. Some charge maintenance fees. Some limit withdrawals. Before opening an account, compare at least 3 banks. Look at interest rates, look at fees, look at accessibility. For example, imagine one bank offers a business savings account with no monthly fee but low interest. Another bank offers high interest but charges a $10 monthly fee unless you keep $5,000 in the account. Depending on your business size, one could be much better than the other. Choosing the wrong account can cost you hundreds of dollars every year. Number 7. Automating your money changes everything. One of the easiest ways to boost your cash flow using a business savings account is automation. When you automate transfers, you make saving effortless. You remove emotions, you remove decisions, you remove excuses. For example, let's say you choose to transfer $200 every Monday from your checking account to your business savings account. Over a month, that is $800 saved. Over a year, that is more than $9,000 saved without even thinking about it. Automation turns small steps into big results. Number 8. The hidden benefit of business savings accounts nobody talks about. Here is the benefit that surprises most beginners. A business savings account actually strengthens your business credibility. Banks take you more seriously. Lenders take you more seriously. Even potential partners see you as more stable. Why? Because a separate savings account shows financial discipline. Imagine applying for a business loan. The bank asks about your reserves. If all your money is sitting in one messy checking account, it looks unorganized. But if you show a separate business savings account with steady contributions, it sends a clear message. This business knows how to manage money. That can make the difference between getting approved or denied. Number 9. How a business savings account helps you avoid debt. Debt usually shows up when businesses do not plan for unexpected expenses. Equipment breaks, a client cancels, a laptop dies, a truck needs repairs. Suddenly, you are forced to borrow. A business savings account is your protection. It prevents panic. It prevents borrowing money at high interest. It prevents falling behind. For example, imagine a home remodeling business. One of their saws stops working. Instead of taking a loan or using an expensive credit card, they simply pull from their business savings account. That one habit saves money, reduces stress, and keeps the business healthy. Number 10. The simple step-by-step guide to opening your account. Here is the part you've been waiting for. The simple steps to open a business savings account. Step 1. Make sure you have a business checking account. Most banks require it. Step 2. Gather your documents. You will usually need your business license, employer identification number, and personal identification. Step 3. Compare banks. Look for no monthly fees, good interest rates, and easy access. Step 4. Apply, online or at a branch. Most applications take only a few minutes. Step 5. Set up your automatic transfers. This is where the magic happens. Even small automatic transfers build financial strength. Step 6.
Build the habit of reviewing your account every month. You learn a lot about your business just by watching how your savings grow. Follow these steps, and your business savings account becomes more than an account. It becomes a system that supports your entire business. Number 11, the one thing too many beginners ignore. Here is the loop we opened earlier. There is one feature that most beginners never use, even though it can dramatically boost their cash flow. Some banks offer business savings accounts that link directly to your checking account with overdraft protection. That means if you ever get close to overdrafting your checking account, the bank automatically pulls from your savings instead. This prevents fees, it prevents panic, it prevents cash flow disasters. It is not a replacement for good budgeting, but it is a powerful backup that protects your business from unnecessary losses. For example, imagine a small catering business. They miscalculate by $200. Normally, that would cause an overdraft fee, but with overdraft protection linked to their business savings account, the transfer happens automatically. Crisis avoided, money saved. This one feature alone can save beginners hundreds of dollars every year. Number 12, why cash flow visibility changes your decisions. One of the most overlooked benefits of having a business savings account is the way it sharpens your financial visibility. When you separate your long-term reserves from daily operating money, you can instantly see how much cash your business truly has. This clarity helps you make smarter decisions because you are no longer guessing. For example, imagine a small online boutique. Before separating funds, the owner constantly felt unsure about whether she could afford to reorder inventory. After opening a business savings account, she sees exactly how much is available for growth and how much is set aside for emergencies. With clear visibility, she confidently invests in more products without fear of running short later. This clarity makes every financial choice safer and more strategic. Number 13. How savings accounts protect you during unexpected growth.
Most beginners only think about slow months, but a business savings account also helps during rapid growth. When your business suddenly gets more customers, you need extra cash to handle the increased demand. Without savings, you struggle. With savings, you scale smoothly. Imagine a small candle shop that suddenly goes viral. They get hundreds of orders overnight. Without cash reserves to buy materials and pay workers, the business collapses under pressure. But if they have a business savings account with money set aside, they can handle growth gracefully and deliver on time. Growth sounds fun, but it is expensive, and savings prepare you for it. Number 14. When a business savings account helps you negotiate better deals. Money gives you power. When vendors or suppliers know your business has reserves, they often offer better terms because they trust you can pay reliably. A business savings account quietly strengthens your negotiating position. For example, imagine a restaurant negotiating with a food supplier. When the supplier sees consistent business savings, they might offer discounts for bulk orders or better payment terms. Without reserves, you appear risky. With reserves, you appear stable and worth working with. Just having that account opens opportunities you would not get otherwise. Number 15. How saving improves your business mindset. A business savings account does more than store money. It changes the way you think. It shifts you from survival mode to growth mode. You start making decisions from confidence instead of fear. For example, imagine a handyman who constantly stresses over unexpected repairs or cancellations. Once he builds even a small savings cushion, he no longer panics when something goes wrong. This calm mindset helps him focus better, serve customers better, and make smarter long-term decisions. Financial confidence creates business confidence. Number 16. Why cash reserves make you more competitive. A business savings account helps you stay competitive by giving you the ability to move quickly. When opportunities arise, you do not have to wait for funding or scramble for cash. Imagine a small fitness studio. A nearby competitor closes down and sells equipment for cheap. With a healthy savings balance, the studio owner buys the equipment immediately, expanding the business overnight. Without savings, the opportunity disappears. Savings let you act fast when others cannot. Number 17. The safety net that protects you from payment delays. Every business faces late-paying clients. Sometimes they forget. sometimes they delay. Sometimes corporate invoices take weeks to clear. A business savings account protects you during these delays so your operations do not fall apart. For example, a freelance marketer may have 3 ongoing clients. 2 pay on time, 1 always pays late. Instead of stressing over gaps, she uses savings to cover software fees and rent. Once the late payment arrives, she replenishes the account. Savings turn frustration into stability. Number 18. How setting savings goals motivates faster growth. When you open a business savings account, you can set clear financial goals. Maybe you want to save for equipment. Maybe you want 3 months of expenses. Maybe you want to expand. Goals transform savings from a chore into a mission. For example, imagine a barber who wants to open a second location. He sets a goal to save $500 each month. Over time, watching that account grow motivates him to work harder, take extra clients, and stay consistent. The savings account becomes a visual scoreboard of his progress. Goals turn saving into a game you want to win. Number 19. The simple trick to reduce financial stress every month. Your brain loves predictability. When money feels unpredictable, stress increases. A business savings account gives you predictability because you always know you have a cushion. For example, a bakery owner once felt anxious every month, wondering if she would have enough money for supplies. After automatically transferring a portion of her monthly profits into her savings account, she never worried again. The cushion gave her peace, and peace gave her focus. Less stress means better performance and happier business decisions. Number 20. Why a business savings account makes you look more professional. Clients trust businesses that look organized and stable. When you manage money properly, people can feel it in the way you operate. You reply faster, you deliver consistently, you do not panic over small issues. Behind the scenes, this stability often comes from having a savings cushion. For example, imagine 2 graphic designers. One lives payment to payment with no savings. The other has a business savings account with 3 months of expenses saved. The designer with savings always appears more confident and reliable, and clients prefer working with reliable people. Professionalism starts with financial structure. Now that you know exactly how a business savings account can boost your cash flow, keep your money safe, and help your business grow faster, here is the big question for you. What is the first thing you want your business savings account to help you achieve?